Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce AutoCAD's RAM and memory consumption using the easy method. This is a great way to clean out your system space on your optimization session so your computer stops slowing down while you draw. Step 1. Run the purge command to throw away unused items. The first step is to open your current drawing file and use a special cleaning command to wipe out all the hidden blocks, lines, and empty layers that you are no longer using. Open your active drawing project, type the word purge in the bottom text command line on your screen, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and click the button that says Purge All on the pop-up box. Check all the boxes inside the window to make sure the software looks through every corner of the file, and keep clicking the Confirm button until the text turns gray. This is the start of everything because files often hold on to old deleted items in their background memory without showing them on your screen. You have to run this deep clean so the software permanently drops those invisible baggage files from its short-term storage space. Without this step, your file will stay bloated and continue to drain your computer's memory bank, even if your drawing screen looks completely empty. Step 2. Use the Audit tool to repair hidden file errors. Next, you need to tell the system to scan your active drawing database to find and fix any broken data paths that might be wasting your computer's power. Move your pointer back down to the bottom typing bar, type the word Audit, hit the Enter key, type the letter Y for yes when the program asks if you want to fix errors, and press Enter again. Watch the tiny scrolling text lines at the bottom of your screen to make sure the program finishes its scan and reports that all errors are down to 0. This is a smart move because invisible errors and broken data paths can get stuck in a loop inside your system memory. By running this automated health check, you force the program to straighten out its background files and delete glitchy junk lines. It ensures the software stops wasting memory trying to read broken information. Now you need to open your graphics settings panel and turn off the extra high-end line smoothing and advanced shadows that make your computer parts work too hard. Type the words Graphics Config into your bottom prompt line, hit Enter, look for the switch that mentions Smooth Lines or Advanced Visual Details, and click it to turn it off. Move your mouse over to the main toggle button, switch the Performance Acceleration details down a step, and click the OK button to save your new look. This is the most important part because rendering perfectly smooth, pretty edges on your screen takes up a massive amount of live memory power. By turning down these cosmetic features, you tell the computer to focus on raw speed instead of fancy looks. It is the key step to getting the right output because it instantly frees up your live memory card so the app stays responsive. And that's it. To reduce AutoCAD's RAM and memory consumption, you must first type Purge and click Purge All to throw away hidden junk. Then you type Audit and select Yes to fix background file mistakes. Next, you open Graphics Config to turn off smooth lines and heavy visual extras. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.